Hello guys, welcome to Chrizzz1cards unboxing. Today we unbox and unpacking Prison Draft Picks 21 and Elite 22-23 2 packs and 4 packs and 1 box Card Kings. Nice. Okay, let's start with Prison Draft Picks. Okay, first pack. Okay, we have David Johnson, R.J. Barrett, James Harden, Keon Johnson, and Anthony Edwards. Very nice. Very cool pick. Okay. Next pack. David Duke, Evan Mobley, Bradley Beal, Ray Allen, and Austin Reeves. Very nice. Rajon Rondo, Kevin Love, Davion Mitchell, Grant Hill, and Aaron Henry. Very nice. Grant Hill. I love it. Okay. Last pack of the Prison Draft Picks 21. We have Devin Booker, Greg Brown, Luka Garza, Scotty Barnes, and Ja Morant. Oh, very cool. Very nice. Okay. Nothing special, but very cool cards. Next, Elite pack. Okay. Zaire Williams, PJ Washington, Devonta Graham, John Collins, Davis Bertans, Joe Ingles, Pascal Siakam, and Jane Novell. Okay, nothing special here. The orange one. Not numbered. Okay. Boo! Okay, and the last pack of Elite. Okay. Wendell Carter Jr., Tyus Jones, Christian Wood, Jabari Smith. Very nice pick. Anthony Simons, Jaylen Brown, Jordan Clarkson, and Julius Randle. Nothing. Boo! Okay. Really nothing special. Now we unboxing Card Kings, but first I must slap it.
The box is hard.
Okay, I slap it too. Let's open it. Box of luck, and now the pack of luck. Okay, let's see. Okay, first card, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Anthony Edwards, Kevin Durant. The next card. Grady Dick. Rookie 1. Anthony Black. Rookie 2. Yao Ming. Very nice. Oh, 249. Okay. I do the last card first. Very nice. Osar Thompson. Not numbered, but a very cool card. And Eamon Thompson. Wait, I don't. Oh, very nice card. Eamon Thompson. With patch. Is it game worn? It's not associated. Okay. Not game worn. And our autograph. Oh, we have 2 cards. Wait, we have Jimmy Butler. Very nice. And our autograph. Okay. Take Jimmy. And now, rookie. We have, he's white. He's white. Philip Petrusev. Okay. No, not so a good box. Number 299. Don't know him. Okay. I think that was, yeah, it's okay. But the rest, Eamon Thompson, Osar Thompson, and Butler. Yao Ming, okay. That box is really bad. Okay. But I hope you enjoyed it. We had some little bit fun. And please like and subscribe, and see you next time.